Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have been absolutely itching to get outdoors this winter since I got this high experience winter jacket. I cannot say enough good things about this jacket. It just checks all of the boxes for me. I find it to be incredibly comfortable and warm. For any outdoor activity, it just offers me that freedom of movement that I really need. It has that baggy, oversized styling that I have really been loving lately. I think it strikes that perfect balance that you need when you're being active outside. You don't want something that is going to make you sweat when you're being active, but you also want something that'll keep you really cozy. The longer length of this jacket really makes me feel extra enclosed and just more protected from the elements. It comes in a variety of really beautiful colors, but I am absolutely in love with this light purple color. I feel all kinds of major cute when I'm wearing this jacket. It is just incredibly stylish and flattering. The material and the stitching and everything about it just feels really high quality to me. I think that I would definitely compare this jacket to some much higher priced ones. I'm a person that always has to have a few things with me all the time, so I really like that it has so many pocket options inside and outside the jacket. My husband and I are really hoping to get on a ski trip later this winter, and I cannot wait to bring this high experience jacket with me. But that's just my point of view.